guys, in today's video we'll be showing you how to make a homemade tripod to take art videos like these. So let's get started. So for this you'll need a short table like this and the device with which you're going to shoot the video. You'll need a rope and a wooden piece. So now take the device and place the wooden piece on top like this. Then take the rope and then just wrap it around the device like this. Then just tie it. Make sure it's tight. Now we are done with this. So you have to place few books on top of the wooden piece like this so that it doesn't fall. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like these, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. See you in our next video.